Hi! Welcome to Isabella's kitchen. Today we're going to be making some
Donuts!
Yeah! Donuts! Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we've got a third of a cup of warm water. If you've got a cooking thermometer, try and get it to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. If not, just as long as it's kind of lukewarm to the touch, that's absolutely fine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some dried active yeast. So Isabella, do you want to do this? Yeah. So we need 4.5 teaspoons. 4, so 1. Just give that a quick stir.
It smells like
Does it smell nice?
smells
There we go. So you want to mix it in so most of the grains are mixed into the water. Now, we're going to leave that to sit for 5 minutes. In that we've got milk, we've got 1.5 cups of milk. We're going to put that into the microwave for 2 minutes just to warm it up, and we're going to let it sit for around a minute to cool down. Okay, so see you in a minute. Okay guys, so it's been 5 minutes, we've allowed the yeast to absorb into the water. As you can see, it's gone quite frothy and yucky. So we're going to pour that into the bowl. Yeah, all in. Now we've got our warm milk, we're going to pour that into there. Perfect. Now we've got a third of a cup of butter. Try and get as much flour as you can into the bowl. And then we'll give it a good mix. Good mix. Come on. A shake, 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 a shake. A shake, 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 a shake. Watch out, Bella. Watch out. Okay, so we've got our mixture, we've put it into the bowl, we've covered it with cling film. We're going to leave it for around an hour, and then we'll come back to you. Okay. going to do for an hour, Bar? Come on, we can't just sit here, can we? What are we going to do? Trampoline? For an hour? No. We'll do something else now, won't we? Has it been an hour yet?
No, it's been 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Do you want to play on the trampoline?
No, yes.
Yeah, go on then. Okay guys, so it's been 1 hour and here is our dough. Wibble wobble, wibble wobble. As you can see, it's doubled in size. It's a little bit sticker.
Let me wobble
Okay.
it. Wobble.
So what we're going to do, we've got to knead the dough. Just pop that there for a second. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to flour the surface. You're going to need a lot of flour here because, like I say, this isn't going to be like pizza dough. It's going to be a lot stickier and a lot harder to manage. Okay? Okay. So let's pour this out. Hey.
Listen. Daddy, show Mummy.
Perfect.
Now what do we need?
Right, so now you know what kneading is. You know what it means to knead the dough? Yeah? So we're going to do that. Yeah, like that. Does it feel weird? Does it feel soft? So you've got to throw it in your hands.
First time making
Right, so if we try and fold the flour into the dough so it's not too sticky, then you want to try and apply pressure to the dough, fold it in on itself as you go. So if you put your hand there, oh my gosh, where's your hands gone? Okay guys, so we've got that just the consistency we want, so now we're going to roll it down. The sections that you're going to be cutting, you want them to be at a level of around 1/4 of an inch and 1/2 centimetre, so go for that thick. So now we're going to do our rings. Do you want to do a little one or medium sized one?
I'll do this one first. I'll do
So put the outside ring down, push all the way down to the bottom. Can you feel the table?
Yeah.
And then push the little one in,
Where?
right in the middle.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Can I take it out?
Yes. Just give them a little bit more of a push. There we go. Now, if you take out the little one really quickly. Oh, there we go. Now we've got the little hole stuck in there. That's perfect. If you give it a little bit of a push out.
Daddy, look at this one. Hey,
And
look.
we've got it.
Hey, look at
That's
this.
perfect.
Look,
Now we've got this. Now we're going to save these for later. And off you got there. That is perfect, Bella. Look at that.
Can I do the big one?
Yeah, we're going to do a big one. Okay, so we've got our donut shapes. We've left them in a warm room for 10 minutes. You can turn the heating on or warm them up with a heating device. Anything you want, but just get a little bit of heat in there for 10 minutes. It just lets a bit more air go into the donuts, okay? Okay, so what we've got here is a deep fat fryer. Now we'll turn this up to 190 degrees Celsius. Now please make sure that you're careful, make sure you've got an adult in this, okay? Yeah? And now we're going to put our donut rings. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've now finished with the deep fat fryer. We've got a good selection of donuts here. We've got some little ones. We've got some bigger ones. Some even bigger ones. We've got some plain chocolate. Got some pecan nuts. We don't have pecan. White chocolate. Dark chocolate, blue food colouring, red food colouring, yellow food colouring, and some apple sprinkles as well. Okay, so for the glaze we're going to melt half a cup of butter in the microwave. We're going to add that to 2 cups of powdered sugar, that's icing sugar. And we're going to add in between 5 to 7 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Okay guys, so I've made the glaze. Okay, so there's the glaze. It's gone a little bit thinner than I wanted, but it'll still look nice when it's dried. And what we're going to put on it, we're going to put some glitter on there. Look at that.
Look at this one. Rainbow one. Look, I'm making blue and yellow. I'm using yellow first, then pink. Now I need pink and red.
Okay, so we've melted our chocolate now. We've got white chocolate, plain chocolate, and dark chocolate.
I'm so excited. And I want some lip gloss.
Okay, so we're dipping this one in there.
Wow.
Whoa. Okay, do you want to dip one in this one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I want to put my
Do you want to do the dark chocolate one? Okay.
Hey, that's in there.
Oh no. Okay, so we're going to drizzle the white chocolate on. All you need to do, babe, if you get the white chocolate, just so it's dripping off like that, and go all the way from one side to the other. Go from one side, all the way over to the other. do dark chocolate and the white one. There we go. So one side. Yeah, of course we can. In a tub.
So we don't drop it.
Okay.
Because it might be too long. And your arm's going to get tired.
And we'll put white chocolate on the pan chocolate one. Now I'm going to put a little bit of maple syrup.
That is this one down.
Oh
Is that one?
yeah, that's really good.
And
Now I've got my pecans.
So this one, this is another one for Dave, and I'm gonna make. When we do another donut, I'm gonna make one another one for Dave.
Can I open it? I'm going to use some scissors.
I'm gonna use some scissors
I've got pecan wrap, so I'm going to break it up. And I'm going to sprinkle it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. As you can see, we've got some brilliant donuts here. Isabella, you've done an absolutely fantastic job, haven't you? Yeah, I think you've done great. You think Nana Linda's going to like hers? We've got what there?
But can we do it today?
Today, yeah?
But we've got to put this one. Which one's
That was Daddy's. That was Nana Linda's, the gold one. Daddy's is the one with maple syrup and pecan. Yes. Flowers on there, that's Thomas's. Which one was Mummy's? Pink one?
Yeah.
Yep, brilliant.
I forgot which one's mine.
No, that one. No,
No, the white one.
the white one. Okay.
It's the little one is mine.
Okay. Thank you very much for watching. We're ecstatic with our donuts, and hopefully you will be too. Check back with us every Tuesday and Thursday. I can't wait for our next episode. It's going to be a really good one. Make sure you check that. Don't give it away! Okay. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can get a notification every time that we release a new video. No! And make sure that you follow us on Instagram. It's isabellas.kitchen.adventures. If you follow us on Instagram, you can send us... This is an adventure! But yeah, we've got more adventures to come. And if you follow us on Instagram, you can send us your pictures, send us your donuts, let us know your first...
The trampoline is the adventure.
That's an adventure too. Let us know your first name, where you're from, if you've got any special toppings or any ingredients that you mixed in there, let us know. There's a chance that you may get featured in one of our future videos. So that's all for now, but we'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.